Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. This is Mohammed Rasheed from the Jeon Foundation and the American Accreditation Commission. Resuming our healthcare community service programs, we are here today again with you to discuss about Patient Safety Week. With us today is no less than the AACI Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Kresimir. And let me introduce him for a while. Kresimir is recognized internationally as a leader in the field of healthcare quality improvement. He has more than 25 years of experience in quality, patient safety, and hospital leadership. Kreso has developed a wide range of operational, regulatory knowledge, and experience in best practice solutions for proactive health management. Welcome, Mr. Kreso.
Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm honored to be here with you. I'm glad we can discuss about the patient safety. The simplest definition of patient safety is the prevention of errors and adverse effects to patients associated with healthcare, as we know. While healthcare has become more effective, it has also become more complex with greater use of new technologies, medicines. Health services treat older and sicker patients who often present with significant comorbidities, requiring more and more difficult decisions as to healthcare priorities. Increasing economic pressure on health system often leads to overloaded healthcare environments. Unexpected and unwanted events can take place in any setting where healthcare is delivered. It can be primary, secondary, or tertiary level. Community care, social and product care, acute and chronic care. Every 10th patient in Europe experiences preventable harm or adverse events in hospital, causing suffering and loss for the patient, their families, and healthcare providers, and taking a high financial impact on healthcare systems. Patient safety environments demand a complex, system-wide effort involving a wide range of actions in performance improvement, environmental safety, and risk management, including infection control, safe use of medicines, equipment safety, safe clinical practice, and safe environment of care. Healthcare accreditation is one of the major steps towards improving quality and patient safety. Amongst the several accreditation bodies across the world, the AACI stands out as one of the best standards in healthcare accreditation. Multiple evidences have shown that implementing and maintaining good accreditation system can reduce the risk of medical errors and adverse events. AACI has established a universal patient safety program pertinent to all healthcare and dental organizations. Key indicators for monitoring and measuring are established on an annual basis. These indicators are determined by current conditions relevant to patient safety in the healthcare arena and by input from all AACI stakeholders. For more details about the patient safety program, you can visit our webpage, www.aacihealthcare.com, and you can check the relevant goals for 2022.
One more thing that is, I think, is important when identifying patient safety goals is the risk management and risk process, because I think that we cannot stress enough how important risk process is in identifying the patient safety issues. Don't you agree, sir?
Absolutely. I think that the risk management framework and process is one of the most important tool that the hospitals can have in managing their patient safety environment, if you will. So our accreditation program, as a part of the accreditation program, actually, we require that the healthcare organizations establish a framework and documented process that addresses risk management related to patient safety. Additionally, the healthcare organizations are required to implement points of control at appropriate stages to verify that the process requirements are met appropriately. As an example, we can discuss about the risk of transmission of infection diseases during endoscopy procedure. Historically, safety in endoscopy unit has focused on infection control, particularly around the reprocessing of endoscopes. Two highly publicized outbreaks in which the transmission of infection agents were related to GI endoscopy have highlighted the need to address potential gaps along the endoscopy care continuum that could impact patient safety. So you see, it's all about patient safety and risks involved. The ECRI Institute put cross-contamination from flexible endoscopes on the list of the top 10 technology hazards for the past 3 years. It's a sign that cross-contamination from improperly reprocessed endoscopes remains a significant and serious concern. I can give you some, reasons why this is important and the reason for endoscope-related infection. Number one, it can be a failure to follow established reprocessing guidelines. It can be inadequate cleaning. It can be improper selection of disinfecting agents. It can be inadequate staff training and the quality assurance. Or it can be the failure to use proper equipment during reprocessing. So having all this in mind, by determining the critical control points and or addressing all risks involved during decontamination process, from cleaning, transport, storage, and using the endoscopes during the procedure, the risk of adverse event can be reduced, and consequently, the safety for the patient is increased. So you see, with this example, we consider the definition and determining of the critical points during the process and analyzing and addressing all the risks involved. We have the significant impact on the patient safety.
And I think so many people who are watching this video right now can relate to exactly what you're saying. Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you
Chris.
very much for inviting me.
This was a great input, and I hope we can have you in further discussions in the future, inshallah.
Thank you for your time and consideration, and good luck with your accreditation process, and looking forward to cooperate with you. As you know, we like to say we know healthcare, and we are here to serve you. Thank you.